What's up, you guys? We're going to be driving around North Highlands, Antelope, Rio Linda area today, checking out some of the damage. Here goes one tree right here and some carts that blew over. And then to our left, can't really tell, but over there at the Walmart, like all their plants and stuff is all knocked down. There's carts everywhere and all kinds of garbage cans flying around everywhere. Multiple palm trees came down last night. The debris is everywhere. Another tree fell. Looks like that fence was coming down last night from the 67 miles an hour winds in Sacramento. More garbage cans blowed up. It just completely demolished the greenhouse that was right here. There was a greenhouse right here. You can see the tarps right there that goes over it, all the metal poles.